Crafting can be quick, easy, and inexpensive. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made beautiful Easter baskets using Cricut and inexpensive items from the Dollar Tree. This can be used for loved ones or it can be sold in your small business. Let's get into shopping and creating with Cricut. The Dollar Tree has so many affordable items that you can customize with your Cricut and make them look expensive or just fun for crafting. This is just a seasonal aisle, but look at all the items that you can customize with Cricut. Now let me show you what I bought and how I customize these Easter baskets. These Easter crafts are so easy to make. Everything that I use to create these baskets will be linked down below. Now let's get into creating the baskets. So I grabbed my sign and I'm ready to add the vinyl to it. And another suggestion is I love buying these Cricut sampler packs. They come with every color under the sun. So these are great for making small one-off projects that you want to be affordable. Space, and we are going to go right to images and we are going to type in Easter. It doesn't have to be expensive or time consuming to make these DIY customized projects. Now they have tons of different Easter themed items here, and that's why I always recommend getting Cricut Access. Is right here and available for you. Now let's take some of these designs and put them on the low budget or budget friendly items from the Dollar Tree. For my Dollar Tree sign, I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my canvas. And just like that, I have exactly what I need. I'm gonna go ahead and resize this so it fits the blank that I got from the Dollar Tree and run it right through my Cricut Joy Xtra. I also found these other Easter themed images and I'm gonna use iron-on vinyl for these. I'm gonna send this through the Cricut Joy without a mat because I'm using smart materials, which makes it super easy and fun. Now let's assemble all of my Easter projects so I can make my Easter basket. So we have everything we need that we're ready to create. I love the transfer tape for the Cricut Joy Xtra because it's the perfect size. Let's use the transfer tape and first create our sign. So I have my sign here and I have my cutout. I'm just gonna apply my transfer tape and transfer directly onto the sign. Tools to make sure everything is nice and flat. Now moving on to the bunny basket, this is one of the favorite items that I got from the Dollar Tree. With using iron-on vinyl, I was able to customize the ears on this basket, adding my name. I also used the mini press and a sheet of Cricut parchment paper in order to complete this DIY, and this took less than 5 minutes. This was so easy to do and it came out adorable, especially if you have multiples and you're making baskets for multiple kids or for multiples for your business. You just let the vinyl cool and remove the backing, and just like that, you have a customized Easter basket. Baskets, and this is so simple. We're gonna put Akira 2024 to show that this is the Easter basket from 2024. Just like that, I'm gonna type some text, and I want to turn this into cursive because I think that is so Easter-fied, or Easter theme is cursive. So we got the cursive added, and I think this is super cute to add to the back of a basket to know what year that basket was from and allow you to continue to use it. For this, I do want to add a little pizzazz. If you say, so I'm gonna add an offset to this. This just allows you to layer the vinyl and have it stand out more. I'm just gonna lower the size of it to what I think looks good. And that is that. I'm gonna go ahead and hit apply, and then we're gonna cut both different colors of vinyl with the Joy Xtra. Here I am just layering the vinyl. I added my piece of transfer tape on top, make sure everything was stuck down and sticky. Then you go ahead and take that same piece of transfer tape and add it on top of your offset or your outline that you created in Design Space. You layer them, and just like that, you have a two-tone lettering that you can add on to the back or to anything that accepts vinyl. Now I'm gonna work on these candy bags with my smart iron-on. I'm just gonna grab one of these pieces of butcher paper from Cricut. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. Now I'm using my mini press for this, as you can see here. I'm gonna put it only on the second setting because I don't know what fabric this is. I'm gonna lay the butcher paper on top and press both items. Last but not least, I found this super cute Easter file in cursive to add to the pillowcase that they had at the Dollar Tree. A perfect, inexpensive home decor item that you can customize and put out during the holidays. So let's go ahead and make the Easter pillowcase. For all my iron-on projects, I did organize them on one mat. Also, when you go ahead and make projects with iron-on, don't forget to mirror your projects so they come out the right way. Now let's go ahead and iron them on. Here is my pillowcase, and we're just gonna customize this. What is better than an Easter pillowcase for $1.25? So again, we're going with the Easter theme. I'm just gonna add the word Easter. I had the 2024, but I think the Easter just on the side just looks so classy. So I'm just gonna do that. We're gonna do the same process, press it really quickly, and then we're done customizing our Easter decor, and this took me less than 20 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this Cricut crafting video. Now, like I said, this can be super inexpensive. These baskets cost me less than $10 per basket. I only use some vinyl, very little of it, and my Cricut Joy Xtra. The Joy Xtra is like the perfect machine, especially for casual crafters who do want to make special projects but don't want their Cricut to take up tons of space. This is the machine for you. I love the Joy Xtra, especially because it can cut 12 inches across, which is an upgrade from the Cricut Joy. So this machine is perfect to make these small crafts, or if you want to start a small business for occasions like Easter, birthdays, holidays, this is the perfect machine for you. I will link everything down below that I use to create these baskets, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.